Today, we're unboxing the MSI MAG PANO 110RPZ, one of the cleanest panoramic cases MSI has released recently. I've already built inside it and used it for a few months, so this won't just be an unboxing. I'll tell you what it's really like to build in. Let's see if this case is just good looking or actually good. The packaging is classic MSI. Clean, protected, nothing fancy but secure. Inside, we get the case protected in foam and plastic. No surprises here. First impression? It's heavier than it looks. Which is usually a good sign for build quality. The main highlight of the MSI MAG PANO 110RPZ is this panoramic glass design. You get a front and side tempered glass panel with no visible front pillar, which gives that seamless corner look that makes your GPU and RGB the center of attention. If you like clean, modern builds, this is definitely the style. Inside is designed with a modern layout. Bottom PSU shroud, clean cable routing space, and support for rear connect motherboards. This PZ version is optimized for Project Zero style motherboards, meaning rear connectors for ultra-clean cable management. It supports micro ATX and ATX depending on configuration, multiple fan placements, and radiator support on the side and top. But specs on paper don't mean much. What matters is actually how it feels to build in. The cable routing space is very decent, not massive, but enough if you plan properly. The glass panels are super easy to remove, but as always, fingerprints are your enemy, so have gloves. If you're building this on a white desk, it looks incredible. Now, panoramic cases sometimes sacrifice airflow for looks. In this case, airflow is decent, especially if you populate the side with intake fans. It's not a high airflow mesh case, it's more about aesthetics. But for a mid-range or even high-end build with proper fan setup, it performs very well. What I really like from this MSI MAG PANO, beautiful panoramic design, great for clean builds, Project Zero compatibility, good internal layout. What to consider, it's not airflow focused, but it's still very decent. The glass, of course, leads to fingerprints, and it requires planning for best cable management, but of course you can always redo it afterwards. So, Is the MSI MAG PANO 110 RPZ worth it? If you care about aesthetics and want that modern panoramic look, absolutely. If you're building a pure airflow monster, there are better options. For clean showcase builds, this one delivers. If this helped you decide, drop a like. More real-world PC case reviews coming soon on Papa PC. Bye bye.